Everybody, I hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, I'm going to be using some leftover paints, and if you have been watching my channel, you'll know that I've been using this new product from Liquitex. It is Gold Metallic Medium, and I've really been having a lot of fun using it. So I've done a couple of different techniques, so I don't need that there anymore. I've been doing a couple different techniques. I did a cloud effect pour, and I also did a swipe. So today I'm going to be doing a pour using my mini leaf blower with my attachments, and I'll probably be using the medium one. And for those of you that are new, I have designed and created these attachments, the original designer of these, by the way, and they come in a set of 3. I'll have the link for these below if you're interested. They really are amazing. It's a way to kind of step up your little mini blower. You can use it, use the different attachments, and create some really, really cool paintings with them. Alright, so I'm just gonna get started with the paints that I'm using. And the first one that I've got here is from Liquitex. It's a heavy body, Liquitex Professionals, and it is Blue Violet Quinacridone. I think that's how you say it, yeah. And then this one, I love this color here. It is from Golden, and it is turquoise, phthalo turquoise. This one here is from Atelier. I'm not sure if that's good. That is, let me see, magenta, Brilliant Magenta. It's super pretty. Now those 3 colors are mixed with the Liquitex Gold Metallic Medium. And I just kind of started out with a little bit in each one. I did notice that the pink needed a little bit more. It just has like a little metallic hue to it. It's really, really pretty. And then this one here is just the Liquitex Gold Metallic, and that is mixed with a ratio of 1:1. So 1 part of this to 1 part pouring medium. And let's see, this one here, oh my gosh, it's super, super pretty. I had a little bit left over of the Golden Interference Blue Fine, and I added some, I don't have the bottle, Soho Mineral Blue, and it made it just super, super pretty. I don't know if you can really see how, oh, it's really, really nice blue. And this one here, I do not know what's in it. It was some leftover. I had a little bit of some colors, and I threw them in there, and it's really a pretty, pretty blue. It kind of reminds me of like a blue quartz from Folk Art Treasure Gold. That's not what it is, but it kind of reminds me of that. And then I will be using a cell activator, and that is mixed with Amsterdam. Ugh. I can't talk today again. Oh my gosh. Amsterdam Titanium White, and that's mixed with Australian Floetrol, 1 teaspoon of the Amsterdam to 3 tablespoons of the Australian Floetrol. The rest of all these are all mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and water. And then I also added a little bit of the Golden GAC 800, and I tend to use that more in the summertime because where I live, in the summer I have a little bit more tendency for my paintings to crack. So I found that adding the Golden GAC 800 really, really does help my paintings. Okay, so, and I also have my spinner, so I'm probably going to do some spinning. I got some new silicone mats. I had red, I ordered some black. They work really great to keep your canvas on the spinner. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started, and the way that I'm going to do this, and I'm just going to put a little bit of the cell activator just kind of right here, and then I'll be blowing from here, and spinning. So we'll see how this goes. This is if you have extra leftover paint. There's so much you can do with it. You can really create some really pretty paintings with leftover paint. So don't throw it away. You can just create something else, even if you have just a little bit. Because like I said, with this one here, I don't know what I even put in there. And it's a gorgeous, gorgeous color, and I'll be able to reuse it. Now, we did have to add a little bit of water because they had thickened up. Actually, a little bit more pouring medium I added to there. And then we're good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the paints on, and I'm kind of going to go like this. All right, so here we go with the dried photos. And I myself am not too sure about this painting. My husband liked it. He said it looks like there's flames, so that's pretty cool. I did get some really kind of cool detail in it though. So I do like that. I like the cool colors. And then when I decided to varnish, now I love it. The varnish just made the colors pop even more, and it's got some nice shine to it. So I think now it's growing on me. I do definitely like it more. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and to like my video. And also to share, if you think someone may like it, go ahead and share it with them. It really does help out my channel, and I do appreciate it. And don't forget, guys, if you're interested in any acrylic pouring tools, to check out acrylicpouringtools.com. And I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one.